the video is about downloading Android Studio for Windows. This is actually operating on Windows 10 operating system. Go to Google and search for Android Studio download for Windows. Go to the first link. It will be open like this. Yeah. Search for your thing now. Download Android Studio, which is for Windows. It will take around 758 MB. Click download button here. Accept read terms and conditions, and then click on download. It will start downloading. I have already downloaded. Yeah, this is the file which we have downloaded. Click on double click or click enter. It will take some time to run as it is a large file size around 758 MB. Yes, the setup is loading now. Actually, the speed is dependent upon the processor of the system. Accept. Something is being used. Click on next. Accept Android virtual device. It will take around 2.3 GB. Make sure that your device is having 2.3 GB empty space. This is the folder which Android Studio is getting installed. Please make sure that it is having enough space. Along with it is having start menu folder as Android Studio. Now it got started installing by extracting all the things. It will take around 5 to 10 minutes for installing. Meanwhile, I am pausing the video. Yes, it got installed. Click on next. Click on finish. It will start Android Studio now. As we don't have any previous installation of Android Studio, click on don't import settings. If you have any, select that one. You can see that Android Studio is getting started. As you know, Android Studio is the only best platform to develop Androids, which is easy to interface with. Make sure that whenever you are installing Android Studio, your device should connect it to the internet, because it will download some SDK components, it will download some Gradles. It will show this welcome Android Studio display. Click on next. If you want, you can use standard. If you want, you can use custom. I'm using standard, so it will be useful for every common use. Here you can select two themes, which is like white on white and which is on black on black. Generally I prefer this theme. It is installing all the things, SDKs, Google repositories and emulators and all, which is of 1.08 GB. Click on finish and it will start downloading. It will take some time, so that I am pausing the video again. After downloading, it took me around 25 minutes to 30 minutes. After installing, it will show like Android SDK is up to date and Intel HIXM is installed successfully. Make sure that this will happen. After that, click on finish. Now, this is Android version 3.1.2, Android Studio version 3.1.2. We can start a new Android project just by clicking on this. For example, application name. This is the domain we are saving. This is the project location we are using. If you want, you can use C support. Else you can directly go to next. This is depends upon the application oriented. As we are interested only in phone and tablet applications, we are selecting that. This is one of the activity we have to use. Generally, we'll be using around empty activity and then developing from that. You can use anyone, it depends upon your application. Click on finish. After finishing, it will open. It is building a project, that empty project from which we have to develop on. For that, it is in downloading Gradle. Here we could see that Gradle services.gradle.org. It will also take 1 or 2 minutes, so that I will stop the video, pause the video. Meanwhile, in downloading, it will ask for network access, hello access, so that it can communicate over Wi-Fi. After allowing it to access through firewall, it will download some of the other files which needed to build a Gradle. This is required only for the first time. From the next time onwards, it won't take this much long. It's about to complete. After downloading, it opens like this, and this is the tip. You can, if you want, you can follow. Here we could see it is some processes are going on here. This is the default project it has created for us. You can edit whatever we want in the Java file, and this is what activity file which is shown, which is in user interface. You can add buttons, you can add things, you can add text over here, and for this button we have to write programs over here so that it will work according to our requirement. And finally, there will be column count, there will be a function called run here. After setting the target, you can run it over here, or else if you want, you can use emulator over here by clicking create new virtual device. This is all the basics of Android Studio. All the best.